Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to be installing new taillights on the Subi. I have been rocking the stock ones with just this black tint for 2 years. I think I've owned the car for 2 years now. If you were wondering like why I was sitting here going like back and forth and doing like a 20-point turn in my driveway, it's because I have like a dip in my driveway down to the road, and my mud flaps end up hitting the road, which pulls these out and then gets stuck underneath the tire, and I'll end up ripping my back bumper off if I try to back into my driveway. So that's why I had to do that. If you were wondering like, what the hell is Ryan doing? Even open this box up yet. It's still completely packaged up, and I still want to see what they look like. I've had the box for like almost a week, and it's been raining every day. So let's get started. I don't know what that is, but I guess I'll find out. Ooh, boy! Holy crap, guys! Check this out. Well, they're a lot lighter than what I thought they were going to be, but these are the Spec D Sequential LED taillights with the white bar, black housing, clear lens, obviously. Wow, dude, these things look so good. They still have the protective plastic and stuff, so they'll look better once I take that stuff off, but wow. Dude, these things are gonna look so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into this thing. It should be a lot of just like plug and play, and also if you guys have been following me on like Instagram or anything like that at Rex and Ryan, you guys have known that there was the new Subi Speed Evolution taillights that came out, where it was like instead of there being a full C light in the bar for the white, it was only like here and down. Those were on back order until like the end of September, so they were on back order for like 4 months, and these ended up being on back order for like a month instead. So I'm actually kind of glad that I ended up going with these instead. I think I like, once I started looking at it back and forth, the new Evo ones and then these Spec D ones, I think I like these a lot more than the Evo ones anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop these other ones out. Just a couple bolts in the back, pop them out, throw these new ones in, see how they look. Alright, so like all of this stuff right here needs to pull down and get out of the way. I think there's probably some pop clips. There is, like there's one right here. And I just bent that thing down, yeah. Just 3 of them, a clip. Gonna pop these out. Okay, I need 2 hands to do it. And then pop this off. Alright guys, and I don't know if you really care, but just to let you know, it is, those little ones are an 8mm. There it goes. Oh, there's a little clip, if I can get this to focus in on it, or more light, maybe. There we go. See this little notch right here? There's also a plug right there. That's super easy though. And then this was kind of this like a little stuff in there. But what do you do with this then? What goes in what is what I gotta figure out. Do they just loop themselves? That's what I'm thinking. Like probably black probably goes in the black, red probably goes in the yellow, and it's kind of like a resistor. Alright, so for the instructions on that wire part for the resistor is just saying connect the tail light resistor and set the resistor on the metal area. That makes sense. So, I don't know, I guess I'm just going to put the black one in the black wire and the red side for the yellow wire. I don't know, I guess, let's hope for the best. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, why haven't I done this a long time ago? Holy crap. Wow. Dude, guys, just look. Don't mind like the gap because I don't have my trunk all the way shut, but just look at the freaking difference of what this turned out to. Sorry, the lighting is kind of bad, kind of dark. I'm trying to get the best lighting for you guys. But just the difference from, I'm going to end up having to pull this out so you guys can actually get a better view of how they look. But dude, these things look so mint. Hell yeah. So let me go ahead and knock this other side out real quick, and that way we can see the difference. There's brake lights. Turn signals. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah! Dude, that looks sick. And I'm trying to like block out of the sun. I can't really do it though. Yeah, if you guys like the video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I think the freaking taillights turned out amazing. This freaking sun is ruining everything, but it's really hard to see because the sun is hella glaring. But yeah, if you guys like the video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, keep riding. Peace.